Another frequently asked question about less than or equal to project is how do I pack my artworks? So the way I do it is all artworks from this project are the same size. And usually I wrap them in this kind of paper, this way here, and fold the edges. Each painting is signed with the number of the painting, number of the painting series, and once it's packed or wrapped with this additional paper, this is the paper that protects the surface in the way that that surface shouldn't stick to the paper. I'm using oil, so as you may know, oils can dry even up to 2 months. After a day or two, they are sticky. They have a sticky surface. After a week, they are safe to ship. Depends how you pack them, but they might be still tacky. So that's why I use this wrapping paper that's supposed to protect the surface from sticking to the painting. And then once I do that, I use those beautiful envelopes that everyone can buy at the post office. They have a cardboard inside, and this is a folded cardboard. As you can see, once I wrap the painting in that surface, I'll just apply the painting inside, close it, tape it around. I tape the edges around, and then just basically slide inside the envelope that is provided, fill with the address, and bring to the post office. For those of you who are purchasing the work beyond the United States, most likely it's in the UK, that's most of the orders that I get. So I fill the custom form, and usually that custom form comes with the package to you, and there shouldn't be any problems in sending and receiving those packages, and there shouldn't be any custom involved in that, as the value of the painting itself is not big enough to charge custom for it. So that's very frequent question that I often get asked in the emails. What about custom? What about shipping? How much it costs? If you go to my website to purchase one of those little paintings that I have here, or behind the wall, those paintings comes at $60 each plus shipping cost, and shipping cost depends on the country as well as the tax. If you purchasing the work as a UK citizen or European, most likely there will be no tax but added to the product, but there will be a little bit more expensive shipping, which I believe comes around $20 or $19, I think $19.50, and depends also on option that you select. And if you are shipping to the US, the country of my residence or my origin right now, most likely will cost about $7-8. So if you are interested in taking a look at that, you can always add the product to the cart and see yourself, and then decide. If you buy multiple paintings, let's say 2, 3, or 5, then you pay only one shipping for one work.